Hey, it's Patti Scharf, CPA and co-founder of Catching Clouds, the leader in e-commerce accounting. And today we're going to talk about the future of accounting. So I know a lot of people who are accountants or thinking about going into the accounting industry are really concerned about where they're going to fit in this new changing landscape that's going on with technology and accounting. So in case you don't know, or you're kind of new to this, even 2 years ago, I want to say I was at XeroCon 2016 in San Francisco, and Rod Drury, who was the CEO and founder of Xero, was speaking and talking about how they're already working on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So they're working towards getting Xero to automatically code transactions for you. So it pulls in the transactions from the bank or credit card. It knows, based on all of the information it's accumulated over the years, how that should probably be coded, and then code it that way. So the actual bookkeeping part of bookkeeping will be going away. And everybody in the crowd is like, yay, that's awesome. Except for a few are just like, what am I going to do? If the software does that, what am I going to do? And that's actually the right question to be asking. So is bookkeeping going away? No. Bookkeepers are going to have to adapt their skills, though. They're going to need to make sure that they know accounting inside and out, that if something gets coded and it's wrong, that they understand that it's wrong, why it's wrong, and what to do to fix it. They need to understand the fundamentals of business. You know, cash is king, and you need to understand the ebbs and flows of business, how to save for a rainy day or whatever else. You need to understand your clients' businesses. So they have questions and they need help answering those questions, and you're going to have to understand their business enough to be able to point them in the right direction. And you're also going to need to be able to understand technology enough to be able to point them in the right direction. One of the things that I see most often, it just drives me insane, is I'll be like looking through Facebook or LinkedIn or something, and I'm in a bunch of different communities of accountants, and they'll ask, hey, what is the best tool to pull in all the transactions for Shopify or Amazon or something like that? And I'm just like, no, no, you're asking the wrong questions. So if you really know your clients well, you'll know the right questions to ask, and you'll know how to answer them. And then if you have a niche, if you don't have a niche, I'd say get one. If you do have a niche, stick with it, because if you're trying to be all things to all different industries, like you've got some attorney clients and some e-commerce clients and some construction clients or whatever, you're spreading yourself too thin. If you just have one type of clients, you can dive really deep into that topic, and you're going to gain a lot more experience faster that you can share with your clients. So that's a really important thing to have. And then also just find a community of people who, especially if you can find like an accountant who also specializes in e-commerce, like go find those people and where they hang out, and you can share tips and tricks amongst yourselves. This is really the time of co-opetition. There's plenty of work to go around, and sharing knowledge is a great thing because you help each other and you help all the clients, and everybody rises as a result. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like it, comment, share. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you later.